Welcome back. In this video, let us do some exercise on day, month, and year. If I wanted to find out the today's date or day, I have to use the function which is called as today. Let me use the function with equal, then today, then open the bracket, close the bracket. This is the simple formula or function which you need to use. And this is the function what you have to use. So it will give me the date, day, and year of today. So this is the date for today. I wanted to increment this date by 45 days. I wanted to find out what will be the next 45th date. So what will be the 45th date? 45th date. Okay. So for that case, I have to use the same function again and I have to increment by 45 days. So I have to use the plus and 45. So I'll enter. The 45th date from April 27th is June 11, 2024. We are able to find out what is the 45th date from the current date. So I'll make it as bold. Now I will also find out what is the day out of the current date. So I'll use the function which is called as day, then open the bracket. I have to mention today, then open the bracket, close the bracket. Again, we need to close the bracket. So this will tell me what is the day out of current date. So this is the 27th day from the current date. Now I will find out what is the month from the current date. I will use the function again, which is called as month function, open the bracket, and I need to specify today, then open the bracket for today date to calculate and close the bracket and close the bracket again. So from month 1 to 12, we are in the 4th month, which is nothing but April month. Current month. Make it as bold. If I wanted to find out the age of a person, then I have to use the function which is called year, Y-E-A-R, then open the bracket. From today, what was the age of the person I am just calculating? Today, then open the bracket again, close the bracket, then close the bracket, minus 1847. So this is the year when Thomas Alva Edison was born. So I wanted to calculate from today what was his age. So the age of Thomas Alva Edison is 177 years from this current date. If I wanted to find out the year from this current date, so this is the current date, I wanted to find out the year. I can use the function which is called year, and I have to select the cell reference D7. 2024 is the year. Okay, I understand. You might be wondering, okay, why do you want to find out only the year? Because you have only one data year for the current date and 2024 is there. What big difference it made? you got 2024, right? So you have the 2024, which is the year. What if I have some more data like this? I will copy and paste as values. Paste as values, and I'll format as date. I'll format the date, and I will fill the years in series. So I'll fill the years in series. Fill years. Now, if you have this kind of data and you have been asked to get only the years, in that case, it will be useful, right? So you can simply double click, because you have already applied the formula. You can simply double click and you will get the years. So you got the years. We are able to find out the year from the given data. If I wanted to find out the month from the given data, what I have to do is I have to use the function which is called as month, then open the bracket, select the cell reference. Since the months we have filled the years in series, the month will remain same because these are all April month, and 4 will be the result. So we got the result as 4. Fourth month is nothing but April, and double click, you have the months for all these years. So this is how you will be able to work on days, month and year. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you and take care.